See, I just got done eating pizza a little bit earlier, and I got inspired to, I thought, hey, maybe I should do a video on multi-step equations with variables on both sides, And because, students come to me always, as they see these in their rooms, and I was like, Mr. Ross, I need some clarity. And I'm like, say less. So I was like, let me make a video on this one. So I have one where it has 5x plus 10 equals 10x minus 20. So I wanted to get rid of my smaller variable in this case. We could have got the same answer if I said, let me get rid of 10x, but 5x was the easier one to get rid of. So that's what I did. The first thing you have to do is always subtract your variables with your variables. So if I gotta subtract 5, since I gotta subtract 5x from 5x, I have to subtract 5x from 10x. Nothing else. Because what you do on one side, you have to do on the other. It's a copycat. So now I have, because those subtracted, 5x minus 5x is 0, so that cancels out. That leaves me with 10 equals 5x minus 20. Now you're probably wondering, why did I add 20 to both sides? Because I wanted to get my variable by itself. So to cancel out a negative, I have to add, because the opposite of a negative is a positive. So I have to add 20 to both sides. So what happens when I do that? Negative 20 plus 20 is 0, and 10 plus 20 is 30. Now you're probably wondering, why did I treat that minus 20 as a negative? Because that operation in this context, we have to treat as a negative. And then when I do 10 plus 20, I get 30. And then I have 30 equals 5x. Now we're coming to our operations where, how do I cancel out, or how do I get x by itself? So I have to divide by 5. So even though I wrote it like it was supposed to say 6 equals x, but I like to put in this context where it says x equals 6. And this is how you do multi-step equations with variables on both sides. Thank you for coming to Trail Salsa Math. Thank you.